It's 1-year anniversary of the Russians' invasion of Ukraine. Today, February 24th. But China and the US have a confrontation in South China Sea. A Chinese fighter jet approached US PA Poseidon with CNN crew on board, and the PLA aircraft called American plane said, this is a Chinese nautical kind of miles. If you are approach anymore, you bear the responsibility. So this is a China side call US, and the US said, we keep it safe distance. Then ask some question, China said has no answer. This is a newly confrontation, very dangerous. The distance only a few feet by these two airplanes, US Navy plane and China fighter jet, which carries air-to-air missiles. I think this is a newly aggressive behavior, Chinese to American, after the balloon event. Sooner or later, maybe the US side should be prepared. There are many ways or many excuses, many points China can wage a war with America. One point, if China join Russia, involved into the war, invading war to Ukraine, this is a chance. China and US will confrontation. That's a World War III. Many other countries will be involved, especially European countries and other democracy countries in Asia. Second point, Taiwan Strait. If China suddenly attack Taiwan, this is a most probably. So all the countries will involve a big-scale war, large-scale war, and Russia at this time may back up China or may fight together. This could be also the World War III. Besides these two obvious points, there are some other hard points, such as South China Sea or even China-India border disputation. Anyway, it looks like China is really want to replace America, or really want to repeat the history. China may think or may not think about Germany. Nazi Germany didn't complete its mission, defeated finally by US and UK, or Japan, the military Japan in World War II was defeated by the US, or the Soviet Union finally collapsed, also can be said defeated by the US and the free world. Maybe Communist China do not admit all this kind of defeat. Communist China wants to repeat the history, wants to follow Nazi Germany or military Japan or Soviet Union to confront with the US, either by Cold War or by World War III. So these trends look very clear. So that's why I suggest the US and all the other countries, European countries or other Asian civilized countries, democracy countries like Japan, South Korea, Philippines, and Taiwan, and as well as Australia, even India, should be prepared. This war may anytime happen by any kind of form or any kind of excuse. Thank you for watching. I would like to see you next time. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks.